Coach Dan here from Rise Above, and I'm here to teach you how to do a cable pullover in a couple different variations. So you're gonna more than likely want to use the rope attachment for this movement. You could try other attachments, maybe like a bar or like a easy curl attachment, but I prefer the rope on this. But like I said, find what works best for you. So basically, how we do this movement, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna grab the handles like you would make thumbs up, and except for instead of doing thumbs up, you're just gonna wrap your thumbs up and around. You're then gonna go ahead, you're gonna take a step back off the actual machine to get the weight stack up and off. And then what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna take your arms and you're basically gonna pull them down to your sides, trying to keep the arms relatively straight through the whole movement. As you can see, as my hands come down to my waist, I say my elbows bend a little bit. That's okay. You can have a little bit of elbow bend. We just don't want to basically be doing something like this. At that point, we're just doing a cable row as opposed to the pullover. Now, this is going to be your easiest version of your cable pullover, where we're standing nice and upright. The arms are at about shoulder height, and we're pulling those arms down. Now, if you're looking to get a bigger range of motion or make this more challenging, what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna take those hips and you're gonna push them back, and your arms are actually gonna end by your ears. So like my biceps are next to my ears, but it's still the same movement where I'm taking those hands, keeping them straight and pulling them down towards the hips, and then coming back up. And you can do any degree of hip hinge, and that's what's gonna make it easier or harder. The less hip hinged you are, the easier it's gonna be. The more hip hinged you are, the harder it's gonna be. So go ahead and try your variation in which you like just best as a whole. And again, you can go anywhere from here as we're pulling down to all the way to upright. And that's how you do your cable lat pullover.